Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone doing well. So today, me, Hana Humaira, with my friend here, AIDA ZULAIKHA, will talk about excessive sugar intake. Our question here is, what are the negative effects of taking too much sugar? Let me tell you these interesting quotes about sugar. Sugar is to live and die for. It is the sweetest and worst addition ever. Life is incomplete without sugar in it. From this quote, we can see that sugar is a must in our life, but if we overuse it, it will bring harm to our life. Hence, we need to beware of sweets and sugar. Before we move to the effects, let me give you a quick introduction of sugar. Basically, sugar is a carbohydrate that occurs naturally in many foods. Our body mostly uses carbohydrate as an energy sources. It shows that sugar is important for our body if we consume it in the right amount. So, what if we overconsumed it? First of all, it will increase the risk of depression. Nowadays, depression cases has been increased sharply. This situation now become worrying. How these two link? Well, our brain is awesome. It can rewire itself and this process called neuroplasticity. When we overconsume sugar, our brain rewires itself and build up tolerance for sugar until it becomes what we call as addiction. It will lead to longer-term consequences that will worsen mood. It happens when one day when you don't get enough sugar like you're supposed to, you will be more angry and unsatisfied. Other things like when we eat sugar, we need the other whole foods that contain all the nutrients such as vitamins and minerals to digest the sugar. Based on research from Science Central, it will pull these vitamins and minerals, and lower levels of these vitamins, such as vitamin D, folate, and omega-3 fatty acids in our body system, will link to depression. So, that's all from me. I pass this presentation to my friend.
Thank you so much, Hana. I will continue this presentation. A significant risk of consuming excess dietary sugar is weight gain. In most cases, sugary food and drinks are high in calories. Consuming too many of these products will lead to weight gain, even with regular exercise. There is strong evidence showing that excess dietary sugar is a cause of weight gain. As the body usually digests products containing added sugars more quickly, they do not offset hunger for very long. This can lead to eating more regularly throughout the day and a greater calorie intake overall. There is also some evidence to suggest that sugar can affect the biological pathways that regulate hunger. For example, leptin is a hormone that regulates hunger by determining how much energy the body needs. Disruption to leptin functioning can lead to weight gain. A study revealed that a diet in high fat and sugar could lead to leptin resistance. Leptin resistance occurs when the body no longer responds to leptin correctly. The study found that removing sugar from the diet reverses leptin resistance. It is important to note that sugar does not cause weight gain and obesity by itself. Sugar is one of several causes. Being overweight or obese is the result of a complex interaction between diet, physical activity, genetics, and environmental factors. However, limiting the amount of sugar in a diet is one of the simplest ways to prevent weight gain. Apart from that, too much of the sugary food can lead to excess fat storage, and some of this is stored as visceral fat. Visceral fat impacts immune and hormone function, messing with weight gain, brain function, and can lead to type 2 diabetes. Visceral fat fill the space between the organs like the liver, kidneys, pancreas, and intestine that can increase inflammation. Next slide. In conclusion, sugars in food may pose a major health risk for some individuals. Studies continue to demonstrate that the sugars in our food are responsible for the increase of health diseases such as obesity, depression, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and also weight gain. Further research concerning the sugar content added to food is needed in order to improve public health awareness. The general public need to recognize the health implications of consuming products with added sugar and make informed decisions regarding food purchase. That's all from me. Thank you.